How does the Artemis program influence lunar base plans? Have you ever wondered how we plan to build a base on the moon? The Artemis program plays a key role in shaping those plans. It provides the necessary infrastructure, technology, and experience for a sustained human presence on the lunar surface. This program is not just about visiting the moon. It sets the stage for a permanent habitat that can support long-term exploration and serve as a testing ground for future missions to Mars. At the heart of the Artemis program is the goal of returning humans to the moon. The missions will start with uncrewed test flights and gradually move to crewed landings, particularly near the lunar South Pole. Each mission will gather vital data about lunar conditions, human factors, and technology performance. This information is essential for designing a lunar base that can support astronauts for extended periods. Several key components of the Artemis program directly influence lunar base plans. First, the Space Launch System and Orion spacecraft provide the heavy lift capability and crew transportation needed to deliver astronauts and cargo to the moon. The upcoming Block 1B version of the Space Launch System will enhance payload capacity, allowing for the delivery of larger modules and equipment necessary for base construction. Next, the Lunar Gateway is a planned space station that will orbit the moon. It will serve as a staging point for missions to the lunar surface, making transportation and communication easier. This station will also support scientific research and technology demonstrations that inform base design. The Human Landing System is another crucial element. Developed through partnerships with commercial companies, this system allows astronauts to travel from lunar orbit to the surface and back. Its successful development is vital for transporting personnel and materials to the lunar base site. Additionally, the Commercial Lunar Payload Services program will deploy robotic landers to scout lunar resources and test techniques for in-situ resource utilization. This means using local materials, such as lunar soil, to produce water, oxygen, fuel, and building materials. These resources are essential for sustainable base operations and help reduce reliance on supplies from Earth. The Artemis Base Camp concept includes plans for a surface habitat, power systems, rovers, and other infrastructure to support long-duration stays. The program's phased missions will allow for incremental testing and deployment of these elements. From a technology perspective, Artemis drives advancements in autonomous systems, robotics, and artificial intelligence for resource identification and habitat management. For instance, autonomous rovers equipped with sensors can map the lunar surface to find the best locations for the base and identify resource deposits. Advanced computing will support real-time decision-making for habitat life support, energy management, and mission planning in the challenging lunar environment. Emerging technologies in materials science and three-dimensional printing will also be tested for constructing habitats using lunar soil, minimizing the need to transport heavy materials from Earth. Data collected from Artemis missions will feed into simulations and models that refine base designs and operational protocols. Overall, the Artemis program significantly influences lunar base plans by establishing the necessary transportation and orbital infrastructure, enabling resource utilization technologies, and advancing computing and robotic systems essential for building and sustaining a lunar habitat. This program marks a shift from short visits to a permanent human presence on the moon, laying the groundwork for future exploration of deeper space.